Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. Today we'll continue with the addition chapter. Okay, let us begin, children. Now, the first one, that is a number born to 10, means the total number 10. When you will get the total number 10, when you are going to add 0 plus 10 will give you 10, 1 plus 9 will give you 10. These are all different combination. 2 plus 8 will give you 10, 3 plus 7 will give you 10, 4 plus 6 will give you 10, 5 plus 5 will give you 10, 6 plus 4 will give you 10, 7 plus 3 will give you 10, 8 plus 2 will give you 10, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and of course once again 10 plus 0 is 10 and 0 plus 10 is 0. I told you now, even if you change the order of the number, the answer remains the same. Okay, similarly doubles. If you're going to double, like 1 plus 1 will give you 2, 2 plus 2 will give you 4, 3 plus 3 will give you 6, 4 plus 4. Likewise, 7 plus 7, 9 plus 9. These are all doubles. Okay, as I told you, these are all different combination of 10 and these are all doubles. If you double the number 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, if you want, you can learn also better, because your calculation will go very fast. Let us begin now. Now see, children, when I say doubles, that is a total of 10. Now let us see, these are the examples. Add the ones, then look for the number that makes the 10. Now for example, see here, the first example here, it is given to you that through this word problem sum, that 3 plus 3 parrots plus 7 bulbuls and 4 miners were on the trees. The total how many are there? So see here, it is 3 plus 7 plus 4. So what we'll do, we will search such a number out of these three. When you are going to calculate, you will get the total number of 10. Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 will give you 10. 7 plus 3 will give you 10. So first you find out the two number, which after adding you will get the total 10. Once you get the total 10, then the counting becomes very easy in tens. So 10 is there, now only 4 is remaining. So you take 4 finger up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 10, here you get 10. First you add 7 plus 3, don't add 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 will give you 11. 7 plus 3 will give you 10. So first you add the number which will give you 10. After 10 you forward counting 11, 12, 13, 14. That is how the thing goes. Okay, let us begin. Let us do some example, then you will be able to understand. Add the following and look for a 10. Add the following and look for a 10. Let us see now. Now in 2 plus 4 plus 6, what will happen if 6 plus 4 is equal to 10? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now this 10, and then take 2 fingers up. Forward counting after 10, 11. Suppose this is your 2 finger. So 11 and 12. So what is the answer? The answer is 12. So we will write 12 as like this. Okay, now 7 and 8 and 3. Yes, which two number will give you 10? Of course, 7 and 3. Now this is 10. Okay, 10 okay, and now 10 plus 8. Now see, when you're going to add the number with 10, the calculation also becomes very easy. See, I'll tell you, children, how to go about. When I say 10 plus 1, it is 11. When I say 10 plus 2, this 1 and 2 will give you 12. When I say 10 plus 3, this 1 and 3 will give you 13. If I say 10 plus 4, it is 14. 1 and 4. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. It goes like this. It becomes so easy for you. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, let us do this now. Isn't it a very easy? It's not easy actually. It is already there in mathematics. These are the few tricks which we should know. Okay, let's begin now. Here 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 will give you 18. Here let us find out 9 plus 1 will give you 10. 10 plus 6 will give you 16. Any number, when you add to it, just one number and then that number becomes the answer. Okay, then 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2, this 1 and 2 will give you 12. Just now I told you, na? 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. It becomes so easy. Okay. Yes, next now. Now add in any order. In any order you add. Not necessary that we are going to take the two number which will give you the total 10. Not like that. Any two number you add, then you add the third number. That is what it is giving you. It is not necessary. Now this is the The simple, usually the addition which we do, it is same only. For example, it is here, he is adding first 5 plus 3. Okay, now 5 plus 3 is how much? It is 8. Now you add 8 in mind. 8 को mind में रखो, 6 finger ऊपर करो. 8 in mind, 6 fingers up. How much it is after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is how you get 14. अब जरूरी नहीं कि 5 plus 3 पहले करेंगे. Now you can take 6 plus 3 also. Okay, 6 and 3 is how much? 6 in mind, 3 finger up. 3 fingers up, forward counting after 6, 7, 8 and 9. You get 9. अभी 9 जो मिल गया है, 9 को 5 से ऐड कर दो, बिकॉज यू रिमेंबर यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल द 3 नंबर, भूल मत जाना बेटा. नाउ यू 9 plus 3, so 9 in mind, 3 fingers up, sorry 5 fingers up, forward counting after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? So whether you add 5 plus 3 पहले then 6 करो, or you first add 6 plus 3 and then 5, it's the same thing. Okay, let's begin now. Now the question says that add in two ways. The question says that you add in two ways. Let us begin. Okay, chalo. First you will add 6 plus 2. 6 in mind, 2 fingers up, forward counting after 6, 7, 8. This 8 plus 7, 8 in mind, 7 fingers up. What you will get? 8 in mind and 7 fingers up. How much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here it is. Now as you already know that 6 plus 2 plus 7 is 15. So but now what you do? Now you add 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 7 in mind, 2 fingers are forward counting after 7, 8, 9. You will get 9. अब ये 9 को 6 से ऐड करो बेटा. So how much you will get? 9 in mind, 6 finger up, forward counting, you will get 15. ठीक है. Now first you will do 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 you will get, when you add 1 to the number, you get the after number. This is 9. Now 9 and 6 you add up. 9 in mind, 6 finger up. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you get 15. Okay, similarly here also. Now you add up 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. This 7 and you add up with 8. Okay, 7 in mind, 8 fingers up. 7 in mind, 5, 6, 7, 8 fingers up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here you get 15. Okay, now first you add now 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, so 5 in mind, 3 fingers are forward counting after 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you get 8. Now this 8 in mind and 4 fingers up will give you how much? 8 के आगे गिनो, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here you get 12. ठीक है. Now here you add first 5 plus 4. 5 in mind, 4 fingers up, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9. अभी 9 को 3 से ऐड कर दो. So 9, 10, 11, 12. ठीक है. This is how we have to add. ठीक है. Next now. Yes. Now what you saying? On the walk they saw 8 mango trees, 5 tamarind trees and 8 jackfruit trees. So how many trees are there? Now it is 8 plus 5 plus 8. Let us now solve the sum. Circle the doubles. Okay, these are all doubles one. Chalo, let us first do the example. Chalo. Now here 8 and 8. देखो same number double. है ना. सो फर्स्ट डबल डबल जो नंबर डबल रिपीट हो रहा है पहले उसको ऐड करना बेटा. These are called as doubles. 8, 8 plus 8 will give you 16. If you want, you can learn it also. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 will give you 16. अभी 16 को 5 से ऐड करो बेटा. 16 in mind, 5 fingers up, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So here you are the answer. Okay, let's do. Now let the doubles are, which are the double? That is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 6 plus 9. Now 9 is a bigger number. So we'll take 9 in mind. 9 in mind. 6 बड़े number को असल में mind में लेना. 9 in mind, 6 fingers up. Forward counting after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the answer. Now you doubles. 4 plus 4 will give you 8. If you add 4 plus 4, 4 in mind, 4 fingers up. Forward counting after 4, you get 8. Now 8 plus 8 again doubles. 8 plus 8 will give you 16. If you don't know, 8 in mind, 8 fingers up, forward counting after 8, you get the answer. Then you will add now 7 plus 7. Now 7 in mind, 7 fingers up, 7 plus 7 will give you 14. Now this 14 you add with 6 now. So 14 in mind, 6 fingers up. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You get the answer 20. Here also again 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 will give you 18. This 18 you add up with 5. So 18 in mind and 5 fingers up. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. You get 23. Here again 8 plus 8 will give you 16. 16 and 4 को ऐड करो बेटा. 16 in mind, 4 fingers up. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, you get 20. है ना? Yes. Now let us do it here. Try this, you see. So let us do now. So this we are doing it from the maths book, that is page number, 1 minute, I'll tell you the page number from where we were doing this addition, children, and I want to know that you should also complete the sum. So let me tell you the page number. These are from the page number, 1 minute, children. These we have taken. These are 5, 6, this that we have done, this we have done, 5 and 6, this also we have done. So we have taken from, yes, we have taken from the page number. Let me go back and tell you. Wait, let me find out beta. So I'll just tell you the page number, I forgot. This is the exercise 2D, C and D. Yes, that was page number 34. I'll write here page number 34 so that you will remember. This is page 34. Okay, from the page 34 we have taken this. Then next page also, 6 plus 2, again same, we add in 2 ways from the same page number, that is page number 34, children. Here again circle and double C is saying this is also page 34. And here we have taken this, try this example. This we have taken from page number 33. This is on the page number, page 33. Okay, let me solve now. First, here I can see 6 plus 4 is 10. So first, come on, let us first add 10. Now 6 plus 4, you are getting 10. Now 10 plus 5, so 10 in mind, 5 fingers up. Yes, 10 plus 5 is 15. Now here it is double, 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, you learn the number of doubles. It comes to 14. Now 14 plus 4 will give you 14 in mind, 4 fingers up, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here you get 18. Okay. Now here either you add 7 plus 2 or you add 6 plus 2. There is no doubles and there is no tens. So directly simply we will do addition. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 you get. Now you add up plus 6. 9 plus 6. So 9 in mind, 6 fingers up will give you 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here you get 15. Okay. Now these sums, that is 7 plus 3, let me check it out. 7 plus 3 plus 5. Again this is from page number 34. Page 34. Page 34. This is page 34, children. Okay. Now 7 plus, add, use any method. You can take any method. If you get doubles, you use the method of doubles. If you get the two number as tens, you use that method. Okay. Here I am not getting any 7, 8, yes, 10, 10. Yes, 7 plus 3 is giving you 10. So first we will take the tens. Now 10 plus 5 will give you 15. As I told you, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 plus 2, 12, 10 plus 5, 15. It becomes easy. Now here nothing like that, no double and no 10. So first what we will do, we will add 9 plus 6. So 9 in mind, 6 fingers up, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you get 15. Now 15 plus 2 you do. So 15 in mind, 2 fingers up. After 15, 16, 17. So here you get 17. Similarly, now here there are doubles, 3 and 3. Let us add now. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. Now you do 6 plus 9. So 9 is big. So 9 in mind. 9 is bigger number. So 9 in mind. 6 fingers up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you get 15. Here now doubles now. Here it is 5 plus 5 will give you 10. Here again 10 plus 5 will give you 15. Okay. Then 8, no, here nothing, no 10 and no double. So first we are going to add 8 plus 4. 8 in mind, 4 fingers up. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 will come. Then after this 12 plus 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here you will get 15. This is what we have done. Okay. I hope you must have understood. Just 1 in mind and then finger. Adding 3 2-digit number with regrouping. This is called regrouping. Regrouping and adding. Regrouping and adding. That's the end. So first we are going to regroup, children. Then here I'll be giving you homework, children. अब आपको सारे का टीचर होमवर्क देंगे. This regrouping we have taken from the page number. This is exercise 2E, page number 36. 2E, page number 36. This is page number 36. Okay, children. I'll be doing total. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll be solving 4, and I want you to solve it in the book. The rest of you are going to solve it. Let us begin now. Come on, let us start now. First we'll do 6 plus 3. These two number we will add. पहले दो ऐड करेंगे. 6 in mind, 3 fingers up. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, you will get 9. 9 plus 9 gives you 18. Doubles. 9 in mind, 9 fingers up will give you 18. Now 18 आया तो 8 आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. रीग्रुपिंग करो. Now see, you are getting 18. अब 8 जो है 1s प्लेस में है, 1 जो है 10s प्लेस में है. वो 1 आप बेटा 10s प्लेस को दोगे. इसको बोलते हैं रीग्रुपिंग. अब आपने 1 ऊपर दिया. अब आप एक काम करेंगे. फर्स्ट यू विल गोइंग टू ऐड 4 plus 2. ठीक है. 4 in mind, 2 fingers up, 4, 5, 6. नॉट दिस 6 को आप ये 1 से ऐड कर दो. 1 आया ना वहाँ पे. और ये तो एट द एंड लास्ट यू कैन डू इफ़ यू वांट. सो 4 plus 2 is 6. वेट. नाउ 6 plus 2 कर लो आप. 6 plus 2 इफ़ यू डू 6 in mind, 2 fingers up, 6, 7, 8. हो गया 8. डन. 4 plus 2 was 6. 6 plus 2 8. नाउ दिस वन कैरी ओवर जो किया दैट यू ऐड विथ 8. So it will become 9. So you get 98. Okay. Double this. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 in mind, 4 fingers up. It will give you 12. 12 मिला बेटा. तो 2 हम यहाँ लिखेंगे and 1 को यहाँ ऊपर में देंगे in 1's place. हाँ. Now what we will do, first you add these number. 2 plus 1. 1 added to the number will give you the after number. So 2 plus 1 will give you 3. अब ये 3 आया तो पहले 3 को 5 से प्लस करो. 5 in mind, 3 fingers up, 5, 6, 7, 8 हो गया. अब वो 8 को प्लस 1 ऊपर करो जो आप ऊपर ले गए हो. तो क्या हो गया आपका 9. It comes to 92. Now first we are going to add 8 plus 3. 8 in mind, 3 fingers up will give you how much? 8, 9, 10, 11. ये 11 आया बेटा. Now 11 is there. Now you add 11 plus 9. 11 in mind, 9 fingers up. Okay. 11 in mind and 9 fingers up will give you how much? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My. So 0 and here you will get plus 2. And if you want, पहले आप ऐड कर सकते हो जो आपने कैरी ओवर किया है. But at the end also you can do. Now you add a 4 plus 5. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. 5 plus 2 करेंगे आप. 5, 6, 7. Now 7 plus 2 जो कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया है. 7, 8, 9 will give you 90. One more I'll do and the rest of them will be homework. This is the homework. Homework beta. Homework. Homework and homework. This I'll do. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. 9 plus 9 will give you 18. 8 इधर जाएगा बेटा. 1 will go up. Now पहले ये 1 plus 2 करेंगे. That is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. ये 3 plus 2 हो गया 5. ये 5 plus 1 हो गया 6. So it comes to 68. Lot of practice has to be done. Lot of practice you have to do. Okay. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums I'm giving you homework. Here also again I'll solve the 3 and you are going to solve 3. I will solve 3 and you will solve 3. Okay. Let us begin. Okay. Now it is first we'll do 6 plus 7. Okay. 7 in mind. 6 fingers up. Forward counting after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So ये 13 आया बेटा. अभी 13 को 8 से प्लस करो. 13 बड़ा नंबर है. माइंड में लो. 13 इन माइंड. 8 फिंगर्स अप. तो कितना हुआ आपका 13. आगे करो. फिंगर के ऊपर में 8 फिंगर्स लो. फिंगर 8 फिंगर्स. यू टेक 8 फिंगर्स. अब 13 के आगे गिनो. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. अब 21 आने से 1 इधर आएगा बेटा. 2 10th प्लेस में विल गो टू 10th प्लेस. ओके. सो 1 plus 1 विल गिव यू 2. 2 plus 1 जो हो गया 3 एंड 3 plus ये 2 कितना हो गया 5. यू गेट 5. Again now here 6 plus 5. 6 in mind. 5 finger up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 आया बेटा. ये 11 plus 3 करेंगे. 11 in mind. 3 fingers up. 11, 12, 13, 14. So here 14 plus 1. 1 ऊपर गया. इसको बोलते हैं regrouping. Now you do first add up 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. 6 plus 1 करेंगे तो 7. और वो 7 को 1 से ऐड करेंगे तो बनेगा 8. It comes to 84. 9 plus 8. 9 in mind. 8 fingers up. Forward counting after 9 कितना हुआ बेटा 17. So here you get 17 and 17 plus 7. 17 in mind and 7 fingers को ऊपर करो. 17 के आगे गिनो. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. तो आपका 24 आया. So 4 will come here and 2 plus ऊपर में करेंगे आप. Now you add a 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 4 in mind, 2 fingers up, forward counting after 4, 5, 6. 6 आया बेटा, ये 6 को +1 में ऐड करो, हो गया 7. अब ये 7 को +2 करो, 7 7 आया, अब 7 and +2 7 8 9, ये हो गया 94. Now 3 sums here I am giving you homework. आप ये होमवर्क करेंगे. Okay children? Yes, you can solve the page number 36 of your book. ठीक है. Now once again just one revision. I'll take one sum over here to end up. ठीक है. I'll take 23 और 34 और 63. चलो ठीक है. फर्स्ट विल ऐड 4 + 3 करेंगे बेटा. 4 इन माइंड में लेना, +3 फिंगर्स अप, फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करो. 4 के आगे 4 5 6 7, तो ये आपके आगे 7. अब ये 7 को 3 से ऐड करेंगे, 7 और ये 3 हो गया आपका 7 8 9 10. ये 0 आया बेटा. ठीक है. 4 5 6 7 7 8 9 10 आ गया. ठीक है. सो 0 एंड ये 1 ऊपर में देंगे आप. फर्स्ट यू ऐड 3 + 2. 3 + 2 कितना हुआ 5. ओके. अब ये 5 को 6 से ऐड करो. सो 6 बड़ा नंबर है, 6 को माइंड में लो, 5 फिंगर ऊपर करो. 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 और ये +1 कर दो, बन गया 12. है ना. 6 7 8 9 10. Oh ho, I have taken the bigger number. I would like to take a smaller one beta, because you don't have a 3-digit number. Again I'll drop and take small one. Sorry, I did not realize that. So I'll take one more number, another number as 3, or I'll take like this or like this. Now this is better. We will add 4 + 3. 4 + 3 बेटा ये बनेगा आपका 7. ये 7 + 3 10 हो गया. 0 1 ऊपर में प्लस देंगे आप. Now you add 2 + 1 3 हुआ. 3 + 1 4 हुआ. ये 4 के में 1 ही ऐड करो, बन गया 5. Isn't it easy? Yes. Thank you children. God bless you. Please solve the sum and try to understand the concept.